Hey Lane's Barbecue family, Dan here with another recipe video today. Today we're doing chicken parmigiana. So what we're doing today is chicken parmy. Now using our garlic squared rub in the crumb, the flour and in the final sauce that goes on top of the chicken. Now if you haven't tried this, it's simple and easy to do, but it does take a little bit of time. Now since you're in quarantine and can't get to the pub or haven't been able to get to the pub, try this at home and impress your friends. So what we're doing is butterflying our chicken breast, just so that we can pound this out and make it a nice big schnitzel. Now the easiest thing to do is get a bit of cling wrap and put that on top of your chicken breast and just slightly bash that down, just so that it's all level. Now this part I like to just season with a little bit of sea salt, just to bring out the flavour. So we've got 1 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of garlic squared roughly, and we just want to dry dredge this, so covering all sides of the chicken. Now after you've floured each side, you want to dip this in 2 eggs, and I've added a little bit more garlic squared to the panko crumbs. And that's mixed in with about a cup of panko. And just like you did the flour, make sure you coat each side with panko crumbs. Now it's time to get saucy. So I've got some bacon here, and I want to just gently dice this up into small little bits just for the pan. Now with a little bit of olive oil, just add in your bacon bits, just until they're about halfway cooked. So what I'm doing here is adding our tomatoes, passata, Italian herbs and garlic squared to the sauce. You just want to cook this down on a medium heat until it reduces by half and is nice and thick. Now it's time to cook our chicken. So I've got a neutral oil here, which is vegetable oil, and I'm frying this off at about 325 Fahrenheit. it's time to sauce our chicken and also put some mozzarella cheese on top. Now put a heavy coating of this on top as you want to be generous. You beauty. Give this a try. The garlic in the sauce and the chicken, absolutely spot on, perfect. Give this one a try. Well, that's it for another video, guys. If you've liked this video, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell notification on YouTube just to get the notification for when we're doing more videos. If you haven't actually tried these products, you can find them on lanesbbq.com.au. That's lanesbbq.com.au, and you can get the garlic squared there as well. If you like the products already, please review the products and give it a thumbs up online. All the support means the world. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys. Cheers.